Are there one more, or more than one there?
Just got one. Clean out your nose.
Who's that calling?
Christina.
We already have boners.
Yeah, just not the rest of it yet.
Have to boil water.
No, we don't have to boil water, Dad.
How far do you leave from here?
Probably about 5 minutes up the road. We don't want to get on the dirt. It's not sanitary.
Are we having puppies?
We're having a puppy.
Have a ride here.
Cool. Good girl.
Do you realize that Joanne is a registered nurse and has done this with humans?
Dad know how to do it with puppies for dogs. Okay, Mommy.
Come on, Mommy. Let's clean out his nose. Or her nose, whichever the case may be.
Do you have a scissor, or do they need scissors?
Nah, she'll cut it. And
Oh, okay.
she eats the afterbirth and everything.
So cool.
That is so cute.
Clean his nose.
Why couldn't you drive your car?
Dad, could you see me really having her in the back of my car?
Do you want to go home now? So we can go out? It's okay, Mommy.
We'll wait until after she pops the afterbirth and everything out.
I guess you're gonna sit down here.
Exactly.
That is so cute.
That's quick Pitocin, ain't it?
Oh yeah.
Quick Pitocin.
That would be me dog. Where's that Pitocin and that one that I don't feel anything? Give me that one, the epidural, give me that.
Exactly.
You would be asking, I did. Give me the pin reliever.
Good job, Mommy. Did she push down or just...
Actually, we put her up in the back of the van, and I seen that she was leaking, so I come in, and everything, and the next thing I know, half of him was already out. I don't even think she even pushed.
It just slide.
Automatic.
Oh well, that was good.
She's doing the baby care.
Oh, you can name that one there for us.
Right?
Name her Roy. Or him.
Okay,
Roy,
here's
the
the
doctor.
Roy.
Can't see if it's a boy or a girl. Hindi na siya mama, no? Kasi ito mama.
Labutan siya. It's good. Mommy. She don't. She seems so
Galubat na
calm.
ba ko? Good job, Mommy. Aww.
Little girl.
Oh well, it's your name, Joanne. Is
Still
that
got
right?
stuff coming out your nose.
What is it?
A little girl.
We have a girl.
It's a girl.
Pusot na niya ron.
She's
Wonder how
nursing
many
herself.
more she got inside.
She have the color. She have the
This is her
mommy's
first?
color.
Her first letter, yep. Yes. First litter. Oof, your breast stinks now.
Yes, you're fine.
That's a third one.
You get cookies out of your eyes. Cookies out.
Was she awake all night?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
And I was.
Siguro gisulod. Tao ba? Alam siya na isa dito.
I have the telephone.
Ay, get the telephone? Good.
Maybe if they're ready to go, just go.
Now we got to push it the rest of the way out.
Just wondering how many letters they can have. But she's still so
they'll
big.
tell.
She should have more.
Those are just
Did he say
fluids.
how many she may have in there?
No.
No.
I think that she's probably got maybe 3 or 4 more left in there.
Ooh, that's a lot. That's
Yeah, with this kind of dog, don't know.
They're gonna have a lot.
Alright.
Maybe we might have more than that. Have 10 of them.
How many?
No.
How many
He's gonna
kids
be
you
so
got?
skinny.
Ooh, that would be a party. We got 10.
Birthday party together.
We have a one basketball team.
Honeybee.
Come on, honeybee.
Need to do what we did last night.
It's so good in animals, but not in human. Don't give me any 10 babies.
Push her the rest of the way out.
Push, mommy.
Honey was like, hey, this is my first time. I don't know what I'm gonna do.
Yeah, you're doing fine.
I'll get used to it.
Your breath stinks. It's a good thing humans don't have to do that with our children.
Yeah. They don't have
That
to
would
pay
be
that
something.
much.
That would be something. Oh Lord, I'm not gonna. Yeah. Oops. Trying to make it. Just look like her.